plant germination. Plants are the source of food. Have you ever thought, how does a plant grow? A plant grows from the seed. And we will see the process how seed becomes a plant, and that is called plant germination. First, we need to sow a seed in the soil and give enough water and sunlight to it. Then the seed begins to grow and a tiny root and shoot appears. The shoot grows above the soil towards air and light and changes into stem and leaves. The root grows underground and forms a root system with many roots. And then finally, as the plant grows, we get more leaves, flowers and fruits. And fruits have seed. Again sow it to get new plant.
This whole process is known as the life cycle of plants. I understood and will grow many plants as plants give us many things and they are our best buddies. Would you?